Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. In today's video, I wanted to say this is the #1 thing that Uber drivers can do right now to start making extra money. And I'm sure if you watched my show or any other videos on YouTube, you've probably seen a lot of other strategies that drivers use to increase their earnings on the road. Well, I have one thing that I want to tell you guys about an amazing way that Uber drivers and Lyft drivers can increase their earnings while they're driving. And it's not gonna be, oh, wake up at 4 a.m. and start driving and do all the airport rides. Oh, go spend 40 grand on an electric Tesla so you can get all the green liberals who want to take rides. Or go and do Uber Black and spend 30 grand on or 50, 60 grand on a Mercedes that's gonna cost you thousands of dollars a year more in maintenance. No, okay? The #1 thing Uber drivers can do to make more money is start a side hustle. Start a side hustle to start bringing in money either while you're driving, while you're sleeping, but you really wanna focus in on this after you do your rides. There's so many different ways to make money online and on social media, and the crazy thing is it might be right in front of you, right here on YouTube. There is an amazing way that I think Uber drivers and Lyft drivers can start making money right here on YouTube through a Faceless YouTube channel. I have a link below you can click on and join my little program and watch the video on how to set it up. This is something that I've been able to make over $10,000 a month with just on one of my channels. And why do I think it's great for Uber and Lyft drivers? Well, because typically Uber and Lyft drivers are really entrepreneurial. They don't want, they're good at going against the grain. They don't want to work a normal job. They're okay with putting in long hours, which is really good for YouTube channel, the YouTube Faceless channel, because at the beginning you're gonna have to put in the work. This is not a, oh yeah, I'm gonna set it up and forget about it. But sorry, let me show you this real quick. This is my YouTube channel dashboard for one of my channels so far this year. It's May 12th right now, and I brought in 57,000 bucks. That's over 10 grand a month. This is a different channel, or sorry, the same channel, but last year, over 120K. And you can just go to some of my months. I mean, look at this, 20,000 bucks in a month, 30,000 in a month. Last 365 days, over 130K. I'm just showing you guys so you can see some of these days bringing in, hundreds, if not over $1,000 in a single day, sometimes over 2 grand in a day. And what I like about this is because it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, because I don't like get-rich-quick schemes. People who are making this crazy amount of money on TikTok, look, it's great, I love it. I personally do that too, but I don't really see myself being able to make a ton of money on TikTok for years and years to come. Might get shut down. They might change the algorithm. They're doing things, you can start making money, but it's like on YouTube, YouTube's been around for over 10 years and people have been making money on YouTube for a long time. I've been personally making, probably around 10 grand a month or more from YouTube for like 5 years straight now. I mean, at the beginning, I wasn't making it that much, but YouTube, and again, when you click the link below, join my program, there's a 30-day free trial right now when you sign up. I will be closing that soon. But you can get access to the whole tutorial video. It's like over 50 minutes long, showing you how to set up your own Faceless YouTube channel and how to actually start generating thousands of dollars per month, right? And again, it's not something you can just sign up and go, okay, I'm just gonna make all this money now. It's like, you need to put in the work, but there's so many people are making hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars a year on YouTube. It allowed me to buy this house I'm sitting in. It changed my life, my friends. I used to drive for Uber and Lyft all the time. I used to do Postmates, Instacart. I worked at a liquor store. I worked at a bookstore. I worked at Nike, the Marriott. I worked at Starbucks. I played music on the streets. I sold knives for Cutco, for crying out loud. I did it all, and at the same time I was in credit card debt. And I was hitting the negative balance on my account, getting that $35 overdraft fee. YouTube, my friends, was the answer for me, and I've actually convinced several of my own family members and friends to start their own YouTube channel One of my friends who started a Faceless YouTube channel, she just actually sent me the screenshot because I asked her to. She made, guys, she didn't show her face one time on this channel. She made over $300,000. This is a real screenshot that she just sent me. And she's a completely private person. You will not find out who she is. She didn't show her face once. She never even, you could not hear her voice. It was a faceless channel. She was making 30, 40, 50 grand a month on this thing. It was crazy. And I know so many people can do it. Like, it's so easy. It's crazy how easy it is to do YouTube and create a faceless channel. It's just, you have to manage it, have a little bit of strategy, have a little bit of a social media mind, a little bit, but it's like, honestly, anybody can do it. You just need to put in the time. And then eventually it can become completely passive. There's people who, they set up their faceless channel, they haven't posted for months, and their page is still generating thousands and tens of thousands of dollars a month because their videos keep getting views. That's why I love YouTube. You know, you make a video, and that video can make you money for years. It's crazy how insane this is. But I think Uber and Lyft drivers, guys, a lot of you guys, and again, this is something that I started my own faceless YouTube channel when I was full-time in college and full-time job. So I was basically 40 hours a week with both of those, and then I did YouTube faceless at night. And within a few months, it started working for me. So once you join my group, I will be walking you through, I make posts on there. So once you sign up, click the login button, then go to my programs, view programs, watch the YouTube course, go to the group chat, and there's a list of channel topics that you can choose from. There's like 20 to 25 topics on there. And what I want you to do is pick 1 to 5 topics that you're interested in. And I'm gonna help you create your channel, give you feedback. This is not a, oh, join my course and you never hear from me again. No, you'll join my course and you'll hear from me constantly. Because it's what I love to do. I love to do it. I love to start new channels, and this is like gonna help me because I'm gonna get ideas from you guys and help you guys out. So it's like a win-win. So click the link below if you'd like to check it out. Otherwise, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if there's any other ways that you've been generating money, extra money with doing Uber and Lyft. But for now, thanks for watching. Take care. We'll talk soon.